Friends, hope you are having a lovely time out there. It's been a long time since I uploaded a new video, so here I am. But before we move on, I really want to thank all those people who are actually watching my videos and people who have subscribed. Really, thank you so much. Okay, so today's video is about using these plumber cards, which are actually magnetic, and not just throwing them away. So I have been receiving these cards for a while now, and I literally did not know what to use them for, so I would just throw them off. But recently this idea came up where I actually turned them into a fridge magnet. Now, this isn't exactly the fridge magnet that you will buy from outside market or shops, but this is something that you can make at home with something you would actually throw away. So as I said, these plumber's cards are magnetic, so they did literally stick to the fridge. Just because I did not want to use them or put them on the fridge, I thought, okay, let's just do something about it. So what I did was I took some printed paper or kind of printed paper or shape cutouts, and then I stick them onto these magnetic cards and then cut those out shape. So look at this, like this is an arrow, you can see it, and then this is a feather. So these are all magnetic, they can actually stick on the fridge, so it's very easy to use them on sheet of paper that you would put on your fridge. It's a little teacup set. And if you can't really get any kind of cutout, so you can do simple printed paper blocks, like you just cut those these cards into half or more than half or whatever size you want, and then cover them with some decorative papers and put some flowers on top. So it's like this. So how to make one? So I have this heart shape cutout and I want to make magnets out of these. So let's get to it. I'll put all of these away so that you can see what I'm doing. So it's good if you actually take the cutouts first and then stick it to the these magnetic cards, plumber cards. I just call them plumber cards. I'm not sure what they're actually called, because it's easy to cut out later on. Even you can leave little edges that you think you can reshape after you have stuck it to your card. So let's get ahead with it. Take some glue and put it behind the paper that you want to stick onto the card. Put generous amount of glue. And then put it here, and then you have to literally wait for it to dry, maybe 10-15 minutes, because it has to be dry nicely before you can cut off, or else your shape will start moving and you won't be able to cut nicely. So I'm not really sure about how much weight these cards can take, so it's always good not to put too much of weighted items, like how you get on like the magnets that you get in the market, because I really haven't tested how much weight these cards can take. So we'll wait for it to dry. It's been 10 minutes, so this is really dry now. So what I will do is I'll start cutting it. Cut as precisely as possible, and if you can't cut neatly in one go, that's all right. After you have cut the whole shape out of the card, later you can actually make all the edges equal. So this is all ready. A little bit more trimming. And my heart shape is ready. Now I want to put this on top of this heart, so I want to elevate it a little bit. What I can do is I'll just take a small round or square, whatever is easy for me to cut out of this magnetic strip, and I'll glue it to the other heart. Glue it nicely. So I'll glue it first here. And then put some glue on this and glue my other heart here. Now I'll let it dry for another 10 to 15 minutes. So there's a little sparkly thing on the heart. So I'll let it dry. So like I said, you can actually cut out shapes of different things that you like I have an arrow, and then there's an owl. This is the cutest owl, and or something as small as a teacup set. This is really cute. Or if you don't have all of these things, you can just cut like regular shape, a circle or a square, cover it with paper and put maybe some flowers or anything that you like, and it's like ready to use. So give it a try, friends, and let me know how it goes, because this is really very nice, doesn't take a lot of effort, and it's made out of something recyclable, so you're really gonna love it once you start with it. So just try to think of what you can do with these and make the small magnets out there, really cute ones. Thanks so much for watching my video. Do let me know what you think about these, and if you like them and you're gonna make them. If you make them, please post some pictures so that even I can see and get inspired. So thanks so much again for watching. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment. Bye bye.